So managed hives can be up to, 55, 60,000 bees. This hive is probably around 35,000. It's a smaller hive.